Good morning and happy Friday. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers and this is your morning market update. Stocks on Wall Street are dropping again in early trading despite economic and earnings news that was largely positive. Retail sales rose 0.6% in December as consumers bought more goods from online retailers, drugstores, and building supply companies. It was the sixth straight monthly increase, but below expectations. Meanwhile, consumer prices were in line with estimates, rising 0.5% last month. The gain was mostly driven by the fastest increase in energy prices in more than 2 years. Excluding energy and food costs, the so-called core CPI rose just 0.1%. And industrial production jumped 0.8% in December, better than economists predicted. Businesses also operated at a higher percentage of their capacity than expected.
On the earnings front, JPMorgan Chase reported mixed results. The financial services giant earned $4.8 billion in the fourth quarter, ahead of Wall Street estimates. However, the performance of JPMorgan's key trading businesses was lackluster, leading to a relatively flat open for the stock. Meanwhile, Intel reported a 48% jump in fourth quarter profit, topping estimates. Intel also offered a strong outlook for the current quarter and projected a big jump in capital expenses this year, a sign of confidence in future demand. However, Intel may be affected by a slowdown in demand for personal computers. Separate reports from Gartner and IDC showed that global PC sales missed expectations in the fourth quarter as tablet computers and gaming consoles cut into market share for traditional PC products. And that trend may continue as more tablets are slated to hit the market this year.
According to the Wall Street Journal, Groupon is fielding offers from investment banks for an initial public offering that could be worth $1 billion. The online coupon company turned down a $6 billion buyout offer from Google last month. One big stock loser in early trading is Hasbro. The toy maker is tumbling 3% after warning that fourth quarter revenue will drop from last year's levels. But on the upside, Micron Technology is gaining another 1% this morning, following a 3% gain yesterday. Stern Agee and Robert Baird upgraded the chip maker, and Wedbush boosted its target for the stock on predictions of more stable pricing.
A couple more technology companies may be in focus today. Google was upgraded to equal weight by Evercore Partners, and UBS raised its stock price target on Apple to $415 a share. Finally, keep an eye on Marathon Oil today. It was the best performer on the S&P 500 yesterday, jumping 6% after announcing that it will split into two companies. BMO Capital Markets upgraded the stock to market perform on the news, but JPMorgan went the other way, cutting Marathon to neutral. Right now, it's losing about 1%. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be closed along with the markets on Monday for Martin Luther King Day, but we'll see you on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.